At Evans Halshaw, Service Plan allows you to spread the cost of maintenance on your car whilst saving you money. For a fixed monthly fee, our dealerships will take care of any maintenance your car requires throughout the length of your chosen term. Benefits of an Evans Halshaw Service Plan include work that's carried out by qualified technicians who will only use quality parts when maintaining your car, free seasonal health checks throughout the year, ensuring your car remains in good condition between services, discounts on MOTs, free puncture repairs should you need them, protection against inflation throughout the duration of your agreement, 10% off all accessories, 10% savings on parts and labour, and complimentary wash and vac on service visits. You can get a quote and purchase an Evans Halshaw Service Plan for your car by heading over to our website and filling in the form there. Alternatively, you can call your preferred dealership where one of our friendly associates will be happy to make a recommendation based on your car and requirements. Evans Halshaw, a great experience every time.